Okay, I want to clear something up. I think that I have been giving off the impression on my channel that I'm against hiring a videographer, and that is so not the case at all. If you have the budget for it, I think it can be a really special way to go back and reminisce about your big day. So let's watch some wedding videos. Hey blushing brides, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and congrats on your engagement. I'm Kyle James and I used to be a full service wedding planner, and now I make videos and tools to guide brides just like you through their entire wedding planning process. Before we get started with the wedding videos, I have a few quick announcements. I think this is the perfect video to announce that I'm going to start a new series on my channel where I will be featuring 3 weddings per week, and I'll break them down detail by detail, vendor by vendor. I'll do celebrity and influencer weddings as well as just regular everyday people's weddings as well. So weddings of all different budgets and themes and all sorts of stuff to give you some great inspiration. So keep an eye out for those. I plan on posting them on Saturdays going forward. I also wanted to make a quick announcement about the Bride Society. It's growing really fast, so I've decided that I'm going to actually limit the number of brides per season that I allow in, just so that I can be super hands-on and one-on-one with you girls as you go through your planning processes. That being said, my 2021 spots are filling up really fast. Since all of the 2020 girls moved over to 2021, there are just tons and tons of brides for next year, so that is going to fill up really fast. So if you are wanting to plan with me, then go ahead and go grab your spot as soon as possible. You can learn more about the Bride Society and sign up at the link in the description after you watch this video. And if you are a Bride Society member already, be sure that you head over to the Bride Society after this and go comment on the weekly check-in and let me know what you're working on this week and what I can help you with. Specifically, if you are hiring a videographer, if you've already hired them, or if you have any questions or anything, be sure you let me know there. And then I also will have bonus content for you this week. I'm going to have a bunch more wedding videos for you to watch over there. So watch this and then head over there and go get your bonus content. Okay, let's get into the videos now. So these 3 videos are from a company called Killer Creations. They do weddings in Detroit, Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, I hope I'm saying that right, and LA and San Francisco. So if you're in any of those places and you're looking for a videographer, I would definitely check them out. I'll put their information below. I will also link all of the information for all of the vendors that you see in each of the weddings as well. So get some tissues and get ready to feel all the warm fuzzies. These are so good, they're so sweet.
When I started dating you, people are asking me, what was it about you that made me so crazy about you? I could have said anything. I could have said, it's the way that your beautiful eyes look at me every time we haven't seen each other in a couple days. I could tell him that the reason I'm so crazy about you is the way that you listen to me, you let me vent. I could have told them that it is your very cute ballerina toes that you're probably gonna give to our kids. I could have told them all those stuff, but I didn't. What I did say is that you're kind. You defined what kindness is for me. You have this joy in life that is just inescapable. And that joy, I want more and more every day of my life.
Jill is the kindest person I know. Jilly is beautiful. She's sweet. She is such a loving and caring person. She always makes everyone feel very special around her. But Jill, today we want you to feel special. Today is your day and you're absolutely stunning.
Michael is an extremely loyal friend, an extremely loving friend. I've always felt supported by Michael. Michael will always be my friend. He's a life friend, and I am very excited that we now get to enjoy the rest of our lives with you as well.
As soon as I met you, I could see how kind, honorable, and genuine you are. Not only do you love me more than I ever thought anyone could, you've also taught me how to love myself.
Today, I'm choosing to marry 25-year-old Julie. But I look forward to the day when I'm married to 40-year-old Julie, 65-year-old Julie, hopefully 100-year-old Julie. Because every year with you is richer in kindness, in joy, in patience, in love. And if that's what I receive from you in our marriage from today until the day I die, it sounds like a pretty good life to me.
Over the last decade, I've had the pleasure of gaining a lifelong best friend, my sister. It wasn't until Mark strolled along that I saw a huge change in her. She was happy, like I've never seen before.
Before they set sail, I had plans to run Mark through my barrage of secret tests to make sure he was a suitable match for Jenny. In just the first day of meeting him, I already felt he was a part of our little Florida family. Jenny and Mark, I can't wait for your fairy tale to unfold and to be with you every step of the way.
I promise it's enough. Been fighting for too long. I could change it for you. We'll be a witness. Love grow.
To Mark, my soon-to-be husband. Our day is finally here and we get to see all our hard work and endless decision-making come together. This definitely was not a love at first sight, but it turned into a love at second. When God gave us a second chance to cross each other's paths and re-enter each other's lives. It's hard to believe we've only been in each other's lives for a few years, because when I look back at my life to this point, the biggest section always has you in it. I don't know why, and I didn't know how it was going to happen, but I just knew you were in my future. I'm happy I finally found someone who has fulfilled all my dreams. I can't imagine anyone more right for me. In the challenges we face day to day, you go above and beyond, trying to make my life just a little bit more easier. I'm so excited to be your wife and live in a beautiful home, have beautiful children, and call it our family. I promise to love you every day for the rest of our lives. You're my best friend, my partner, and chewing the love of my life. I love you, but mostly I love us together. See you at the altar. Your soon-to-be wife, Jenny.
You have lived so far apart for the past 4 years. Mark in San Francisco, you here in the Southland. Now you'll have the rest of your days to spend together and to form a home of your own. And I wish you a wonderful life, a life that God will lead you along and that you will be role models for others.
I mean, for the entirety of their relationship, they've been separated by thousands of miles, but they never let that distance separate their hearts. What they have found is truly something rare, something unique, something to aspire to. He's been nothing but amazing to her, a brother to me, and I couldn't think of a more perfect person for her. Let's raise our glasses and give a big cheers to the newlyweds. This one's for you.
Jenny, there is no other person in this world that complements my best friend. You bring out the best in each other. So excited for what the future holds. Not only your future together, but our future together as friends.
I'm lost in your energy. You got me feeling weightless, no gravity. Caught up in your sweet, sweet fantasy. You got that good vibe, good vibe. You give me that good vibe all night. You get me so high, so high. You give me that good vibe, alright. You got that good vibe.
Mark and Jenny, I wish you nothing but success. Mark, your dad and I are beyond proud of you. Jenny, welcome you and your family into our hearts.
Friends and family, we want to welcome you to this very special occasion. Today we have the privilege of celebrating the marriage of Madeline Ford and Beau Levesque.
Told you that I loved you, you weren't ready yet, but
About 10 months ago, I asked each of them to independently write their love story. I got about a 20-page novel from Madeline chronicling the love story that has led us to today. But shortly thereafter that, I got a 21-page document from Beau. This is an extremely competitive couple, to say the least.
And Madeline is wonderful, and she's smart, and she's kind, and she's beautiful. I'm so proud of who you are. Even though you're my younger sister, I look up to you, literally and figuratively.
it was real, it is still, it was us, it is love.
it's here. Our day has finally arrived. I cannot wait to see you later. You will make the most gorgeous bride. Today we make promises to be with each other until the end. I can think of no greater joy than spending forever with my best friend.
My Beau Raymond. It's hard to put into words what our lives, and what our future means to me. I can't wait to walk down the aisle today and see you, my husband, standing at the end, smiling back at me.
Three things will last forever: faith, hope, and love. Your story, Beau, Maddie, makes us believe in all three. Beau, you may now kiss your bride.
I hope you loved those videos as much as I did. I know I was like literally tearing up. I'm such a sucker for wedding videos. I hope you loved them. If Bride Society members, I will see you over in the Bride Society. Go do your weekly check-in and grab your bonus content. And then, like I said, if you are wanting to join, then I will leave that link in the description below so that you can learn more and go sign up. And if you are a 2021 bride, you'll want to do that soon because those spots are filling up really fast. Or I'll see you over there. Happy planning!